What if I told you Tesla's most affordable EV yet isn't just about the price, it's about reimagining the future of electric hatchbacks. The 2026 Tesla Model 2 is here, and it might just be the game changer millions have been waiting for. Sleek, futuristic, efficient, and packed with Tesla DNA, this car is poised to disrupt everything from city commuting to entry-level EV ownership. Before we dive deep into the design, performance, interior tech, and price, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Trust me, you won't want to miss the details about Tesla's most revolutionary EV yet. At first glance, the 2026 Model 2 looks like a condensed piece of Tesla futurism. The front fascia is incredibly clean, no traditional grille, just a smooth body panel that flows into razor-thin LED headlights. These lights slice into the fascia like sharp digital blades, creating a tech-driven expression that feels modern, yet unmistakably Tesla. The most striking detail? The illuminated Tesla script integrated across the front light bar. This bold choice replaces the iconic T logo and makes a statement. This is a Tesla built for a new generation. The lower bumper features aerodynamic triangular cutouts finished in gloss black, channeling air for efficiency while adding aggression. The hood creases flow seamlessly backward, giving the car a taut, athletic posture that belies its compact footprint. From the side, the Model 2 is pure minimalism with purpose. The sloping roofline smoothly transitions into a hatchback-style rear, making the silhouette sporty and aerodynamic. Flush door handles blend seamlessly with the body, reducing drag, while black window trim and mirrors add contrast to the crisp white paint. The body surfacing is subtle yet sculpted. Note the character line that runs across the doors, emphasizing motion even at a standstill. Riding on matte black multi-spoke alloy wheels, the car projects a performance-oriented vibe, even though it's designed to be affordable. The stance is wide, low, and planted, giving the impression of a premium EV that competes visually with cars well above its price point. Move to the back, and the Model 2 really shows its futuristic personality. A full-width LED light bar stretches across the hatch, bisected by the bold Tesla script glowing in the center. It's minimalist, sharp, and unmistakable, giving the car a futuristic signature at night. The rear bumper features contrasting gloss black trim and an aerodynamic diffuser-like design that adds sportiness while managing airflow. The hatchback proportions ensure practicality, easy loading, versatile cargo space, while maintaining sleek aesthetics. This balance of form and function is where Tesla excels, and the Model 2 is no exception.
Step inside, and the philosophy is simplicity meets technology. The cabin is stripped of excess, leaving only the essentials executed beautifully. The horizontal dashboard stretches cleanly across, finished in soft-touch materials with no clutter in sight. At the center sits Tesla's signature large floating touchscreen display, the brain of the car. This vertical-oriented screen controls everything: navigation, climate, entertainment, and of course, Tesla's advanced autopilot functions. The steering wheel is clean and compact with only a few multifunction buttons, emphasizing Tesla's belief in minimal distraction. Materials feel premium for an entry-level EV. Soft leather-like upholstery, clean stitching, and a futuristic yet inviting vibe. The glass roof, if offered as an option, floods the cabin with natural light, making the interior feel more spacious than its dimensions suggest. Now let's talk power. While Tesla hasn't confirmed exact numbers yet, expectations for the 2026 Model 2 point to a single-motor rear-wheel drive base version with around 250 horsepower and a 0 to 60 time under 7 seconds. A possible dual-motor all-wheel drive variant offering more power and performance, closer to Tesla's larger siblings. Battery range is projected to be 250 to 300 miles on a single charge, thanks to Tesla's advancements in 4680 battery cells and efficient aerodynamics. This makes the Model 2 not just a city commuter, but a legitimate long-distance EV. And of course, it will support Tesla's supercharger V4 network, giving drivers rapid charging access globally. Here's the most shocking part, the price. The Tesla Model 2 is expected to start at around $25,000. That's right, Tesla is finally delivering the mass-market EV that Elon Musk promised years ago. At this price point, the Model 2 isn't just competing with electric hatchbacks like the VW ID.3 or Nissan Leaf. It's targeting mainstream compact cars like the Toyota Corolla, Honda Civic, and Mazda 3. With Tesla branding, cutting-edge tech, and a sleek design, it could completely redefine what buyers expect from an affordable car. Beyond affordability, the Model 2 represents Tesla's mission of EV democratization. It's not just another product. It's Tesla making electric driving accessible to millions more people worldwide. With a design that looks premium, an interior that feels futuristic, and tech that's ahead of the curve, the Model 2 could very well become Tesla's highest-selling model of all time. So what do you think? Is the 2026 Tesla Model 2 the EV that finally tips the balance toward full-scale electric adoption? Would you consider buying one over a traditional gas hatchback, or even over a more expensive Tesla? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share this video for more in-depth reviews of the cars shaping our future.